Hi guys, this is Link from Dysturbance Garage, and this is Dr. Tint, and here we are unboxing the Rayban glasses. It's called the Wear for.
Sunny's being a hater right now. She may gotta poop, but we're gonna unbox this first. I'm excited. Thank you.
Not a problem.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
You need help?
I got it. Fuck, do I push it in, push it out? So it's the new Ray-Ban glasses where you can literally record while it's on your face. So I can record while I'm rapping, go live. It's pretty dope. Ta-da! The camera is right there, and it's a little light back here. Let's see how it fits. It's cute. Press the capture button once. Press and hold the capture button. Say hi, Sunny. Say hi. Swipe forward to turn the volume up. Oh shit, this is so cool. Pause music. Hey Maida, what's the tallest building in the world? How long did it take to build? How long did it take to build? Hello? Hey Maida? Is it Maida or Meta? Whatever. Hey Maida, what am I looking at? Is it Maida? Hey Meta. Meta? Meta?
Yeah.
Hey Meta, what am I looking at? Ooh, that's lit. Okay. Hey Meta, share a photo to my Instagram story. Hey Meta, share a photo to my Instagram story.
Yes.
Hey Meta, go live on Instagram. Why not? Hey Siri, how do I go live with my Meta glasses?
Okay, I found this on the web for how do I go live with my Meta glasses. Check it out.
How to go live? I don't want to go live with my glasses. Open your phone. Oh shit, this is so cool. So we got the new glasses. The new Ray-Ban Meta is it Meta or Meta? One or the other. And I can go live from it. Like, look. So I'm like testing out all the features and shit like that. And I'm recording it right now as we speak. You guys about to see some fire ass footage from a POV. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm so excited. This takes the extreme to the extreme levelness of the extreme levelness. I don't think you guys understand. So, yeah.